Hello everyone, welcome to MS Active Webcast. In this video, we are going to see the steps on how to block user access to Microsoft 365 services using Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Maybe you want to block access to Microsoft 365 services when an employee leaves the organization, or maybe the employee is going on a long vacation. In that case, to secure data and protect access, you can block access to Microsoft 365 services using Microsoft 365 Admin Center. First of all, we need to access and log into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. You can access Microsoft 365 Admin Center using the URL https://admin.microsoft.com. In Microsoft 365 Admin Center, click on Active Users, and that will be available under Users. In the list of user mailboxes, click on the mailbox for which you want to block access to Microsoft 365 services. In this demo, I want to block access for our user named Josh Butler. So let's click on Josh Butler. On the Account tab, select Sign Out of all sessions. Let's wait for a few seconds. We can see the message. We have initiated a sign out for this user. It may take some time to sign out the user from all sessions on all devices. If the user is in Outlook on the web, just clicking around in the mailbox, they may not be kicked out immediately. As soon as they select a different tile, such as OneDrive, or refresh their browser, the sign out is initiated. Within an hour or after they leave the current Microsoft 365 page they are on, they are prompted to sign in again. An access token is good for an hour, so the timeline depends on how much time is left on the token and whether they navigate out of the current web page. Next, we will block access to Microsoft 365 services. Under Username, we need to click on Block Sign-in. Select the checkbox in front of Block this user from sign-in. Select Save Changes. Perfect. Josh Butler is now blocked from sign-in. They'll automatically be signed out of all Microsoft services within 60 minutes. Let's go back. Under Username, now we can see Sign In block. To test this, we will try to access the mailbox of this user using Outlook on the web. Let's open New in Private window by clicking on these three dots and selecting New in Private window. Type the URL https://outlook.office.com and press Enter key. Enter the email address of our user, which is joshb@clarix.onmicrosoft.com. Let's press Enter key. Let's enter the user's password and hit Enter key again. Here we can see the message, your account has been locked. Contact your support person to unlock it and then try again. We can confirm that the user is not able to access his mailbox, or even he cannot access any Microsoft 365 services now. You can also change user's password so user don't have account password as well. So that concludes the video on how to block user access to Microsoft 365 services using Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.